So Lauren, you've been gone on an Alaska trip for, 8 days. How was it? Like, would you recommend it? You went to Alaska. Everyone wants to go to Alaska. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My trip was good. I honestly think the cruise is the best way to do it because you can only see Glacier Bay by boat or plane. And honestly, for the price that we paid, and we didn't have a balcony or anything, I think it was around $1,500 per person, so me and Haley, with flights included. So I think it was a really good deal, honestly, because we did it with Norwegian. So Norwegian usually has a buy one get one flight, so if you're traveling with a partner, it's usually better, cheaper. I will say that Alaska for me was kind of like a one and done type thing. I don't think I need to go back. I've pretty much done and seen everything that I can do, that is relatively cheap. Alaska, I would say, if you're gonna go and do it, like, you gotta go all out and do it. I say don't waste your money on whale watching when you can whale watch from the cruise. Me and Haley both have seen whales without paying the $300 to go on another boat once you get off this boat in Juneau and go see whales. So I think that's a little bit overkill. And there's also like other excursions where you can like go to, this dog sledding place and, pet the dogs or whatever, but you don't get to go on the dog sled. You just get to go meet the dogs, which was like $400, $500. And we were like, that's not really worth it. So we didn't really do that either. There's like this train ride in Skagway, and that was like $200 a person, I think, for the day, and the lines were really long, and we were like, maybe not the train ride. We kind of got away with doing the most on a budget. So the series that I have done, and if you're returning or you just got here, welcome to my channel. I go on adventures and it's gonna be all around the world. And we went to Alaska, and I recently did a series on Alaska. So basically everything that you saw in my videos, we've done either on a budget or we've done without spending any money. The thing that we did ride is the tram. So in Juneau, Alaska, there was a tram that took you from the bottom of the mountain to the top. And oh my God, it was packed. It really was. It was packed, and whatever, people were fighting each other for the windows or whatever. And that was $50 a person. As you can imagine, Alaska is very overpriced. I mean, a gallon of milk there is like $9. So you can imagine things are gonna be pretty pricey. We kind of stayed away from all of the shopping and, buying a lot of things. Mostly because also we couldn't, because we only took a backpack and a carry-on, because we didn't want the luggage fee. We kind of just did it that way. But other than that, I mean, the sights were beautiful, the mountains were amazing, and I honestly think that the cruise is the best way to do Alaska. We went on the first boat of, the season, which I highly recommend because we were just one boat. And I know in some places, like once the season starts getting going, there's multiple cruise ships that go there at the same time that you're on. Now, mind you that our boat is a big boat and there was a lot of people, and Alaska, Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, they're all small towns, right? So the lines are gonna be tremendously long for just about everything, especially if you have more than one cruise ship going. So I recommend going, the first you can go, so that there's less people there than what you would have had. It's just your boat basically there, which is nice. I got sick, so this video is going to be my post-trip depression and me being sick. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this is my week, my recovering week. Hi. So I'm back from Alaska, and I'm sick. My throat is hurting right now. I hope it's a quick sickness, mostly because I have to work this weekend. Yeah, I need to order stuff off of Amazon because I have a trip in the summer, and I I cannot do what I just did for Alaska, so our red-eye flight was just awful. I didn't sleep at all, which probably prompted me to be sick, because at the end of the flight I was starting to feel it in my throat. I'm editing videos right now. I need to book my rental car for this weekend. I'm just resting. I went to the gym today for a little bit, not too long, but I've got a video rendering. I think I'm getting better at the travel videos. I've never really been content with how I've made travel videos. Having my electrolyte drink, keeping me hydrated, more granola. I've basically just been eating oats all day. Pretty much all we have, but gonna enjoy some lunch while my video is rendering and probably hop back on the editing. There's Rose for ya. She just threw up, so that's fun. Right now there are guys cleaning our apartment windows, which is I guess good. I don't know, I've never had that happen. They might not be cleaning the windows, I guess. They might just be fixing something. Gross. Yeah, I don't really know what is happening right now. Oh, Rose, you like it out here, huh? Maybe it's the pollen that's getting me. I don't know. So as I'm editing my videos, I'm just noticing that like I film a lot more of the views, the nature stuff, rather than all the touristy stuff. Mostly because that right there is my, keepsake. Like that's the thing that I decide to bring home with me. Like it's not really about the t-shirts or, the little pins or anything that you can get like physically. What I like to take from places is video and memories so that I can look back on it, and that's the stuff that I want to remember, not really the shops or the touristy stuff, the stuff that you kind of see the same thing of, but like, different names printed on things. Maybe that's just me and how I like to have like a more natural experience rather than like, yeah, you could do the touristy stuff and see the things, but like I also want some authentic experiences as well. I don't really buy anything souvenir wise, or buy much, I should say. I'm in this like post trip depression, like that feeling when you come home after like a really cool trip and then like you don't know what to do with yourself, like don't want to go to work, don't want to do anything. You just like want to be back. That's what I'm feeling right now, on top of like getting sick. Haley's back home finally after all the day waiting. We're gonna go to gross out the grocery store to get some groceries because we don't have much in the house. Hales, how's the post depression trip?
Going back to work.
Depression, sorry, I said it wrong.
Going back to work was definitely wow, I have no peace and quiet ever anymore. But the kids were pretty chill, to be honest, compared to like how it normally is after break. So hopefully, fingers crossed, things are good. We have state testing this week, so can't be on my phone, can't do blah, blah, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. It's very much like
000 in front of us.
What does that angel number mean?
I don't know. State testing, so is it like regular school testing for special ed?
They have to take the regular test.
Like the bubble sheets and stuff?
It's all online now.
Oh.
Like basically like did you have to take
I'm old then. So, it's day 2 of me being sick. I feel like I'm getting sick so often, but also the pollen doesn't help, because the seasons, you know, it's springtime. I'm trying to speak loud, but I just can't because my voice. And the laundry machine's going. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I just might go out for a small walk, because I don't have it in me right now to work out, because my body is already trying to recover. So I'm just gonna go for a little walk after I shower, because I feel gross, and also it'll help all of this that's going on. It's supposed to be 77 today. It is shorts and t-shirt weather today. I'm excited, but also I'm not ready for summer. I like it like this, where I'm not like sweating. It's just like nice enough, you know what I mean? So it looks like they're having a antique art and design show up there by the museum. They have it blocked off. Fun! Also, along with warmer weather comes the smells of the city, which is sometimes really unpleasant. So I wish they would plant a little bit more flowers, just because that. Just doing a quick lap here to get some greenery in. Trying to get these white legs to be a little bit more of a glazed donut, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm supposed to go this way or not, but I am. You know, I'm about this close to taking all my savings out and travel the world until that money runs out. And then when the money runs out, I'm gonna park my butt in Italy, live off the land, make my own wine, and live out my days there. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I think that's a pretty reasonable plan. Okay, so I just had my meeting, and basically the meeting was a training, and it's the only training I'm gonna get for a different kind of weekend, right? With a whole completely different type of software, and we only got one shot to do it, and our training was online, not in the field, which is kind of concerning, just as much as my voice is right now. But like, I feel like if you were that concerned about getting all of it captured and stuff, you would want it done the right way. So I feel like you would want people to be sent out and like know how to do this before throwing it into them. But I guess people just kind of don't have the time nor the resources to make that happen. But I don't know, I feel like if I was running like, you know, a company, I would want to make sure that my employees were comfortable with doing something different. But hey, what do I know? Okay, so basically I finished editing another one of my Alaska videos, and I'm kind of just doing the uploading stuff. And then I'm gonna probably edit one more. And then I only have like, if I edited one more, I only have 2 more left. So I have like 3, I think, total. I'm making progress. I just can't speak today. Today's just no. The guy sounds like the guy from Finding Nemo, like the big turtle. They're here sealing the windows. I think they're weatherproofing them. But yeah, I just got back from the gym and they're like in my windows. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go shower and clean up. I have a pot of grapes. I've only used this pot once to make, I think it was coffee or hot chocolate, something, in a fire. Now it holds my grapes. You know, I was in a whole editing. Always editing. We're going to get pizza and pictures from our trip. I'm exhausted, my whole body hurts. But it's beautiful outside, it's like 75. honestly so shocked they didn't give us a calzone. And usually if we buy a good to go, it's always a calzone. Not this time though.
Oh, well, we've only done it like twice.
What?
Do you want to get that or you go?
Oh, we're cheersing.
Cheers.
Okay. Oof. Look at this hair. I just did a face mask. Leave me alone. Somehow I feel worse than yesterday. I don't know, it's Wednesday, 7 o'clock. My nose is starting to get it. Yeah. I was scheduled to do a Canada trip and I would have already had to leave by now. I'm just glad that I ended up not going to Canada because I don't think I would have survived it, honestly. Between being sick and, you know, the post-trip depression. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna drink some tea, I think. I feel as though when I'm sick, it's just extremely hard to stop and force myself to recover. But I'm putting in some tea, honey, chamomile, or something like that. Getting myself some agave. I honestly think that agave is better than honey, but that's just my opinion. It's a little bit sweeter. Pretty good. I don't essentially know what all the teas do for you. All I just know is that we have quite a few of them. Anyway, I'm gonna drink my tea and then I'm gonna go to bed.